Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. A hearty welcome to all. I'm Assistant Professor Gauri Zadhav. I will be anchoring today's program. Before Dr. M.D. Lawrence, Principal of Foresight College of Commerce, to address us and give the outline of today's program, it is apt to introduce Dr. M.D. Lawrence. May I now call upon our Assistant Professor Rashmi Nair to please introduce Dr. M.D. Lawrence. Rashmi ma'am, please.
Thank you, Gauri. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Dr. M.D. Lawrence has been in the field of education research and training since the last 33 years. Recently, he retired as the principal of Marathwada Mitramandal College of Commerce, which under his tenure was awarded the Best College Award of Pune University in 2012, and also under his leadership, MMCC was twice accredited with A grade by NAC Bengaluru. Dr. Lawrence now is the principal of Foresight College of Commerce. Under Dr. Lawrence's supervision and guidance, more than 25 research scholars have completed PhD and about 10 scholars have completed MPhil under him. At present, 8 students are working under his guidance for their PhD degrees from the Savitribai Phule Pune University. Dr. Lawrence has traveled widely and has chaired many sessions at state, national, international seminars, conferences, and workshops almost all over the globe. He is also a peer team member of assessors for accreditation of colleges at the national level by NAC. Savitribai Phule Pune University in the year 2014 awarded him with the Best Principal Award, and also the Ministry of Technical and Higher Education awarded him with the Best Teacher from Government of Maharashtra. He is a member of the Board of Studies, Commerce and Management at Spicer University. During the last 2 years, he is an adjunct online international faculty in the subject of marketing promotion strategies and Indian cases in marketing management for Australia and Gulf universities. Dr. Lawrence has to his credit many research publications and also research awards, and he is also a renowned author of many textbooks and publications in the subject of commerce and business administration. His core specialization and competence is in the field of marketing and public relations. He is also very actively associated with a few NGOs and has been contributing silently but significantly towards youth and community development. Now, may I request Lawrence, sir, to give the outline of today's FGP? Over to you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Rashmi Madam, for those kind words. I don't know whether I deserve all those things which you have said. But thank you very much. A very good morning to one and all. Respected Dr. Bharat Chandra, today's resource person, Dr. Ravi Chitnis, Pro Vice Chancellor of MIT University, the Chief Inaugurator for today, Mr. Devraj Banerjee, Chairman of the ISMS Group, who kindly consented to collaborate with us. Unfortunately, today, due to some sudden contingencies, he can't be with us, but he has given us all his best wishes. And we thank you, sir. We are missing you, but I am sure you are in spirit with us. Mr. Shailesh Mehta, sir, the secretary of my college, Mrs. Nisha Mehta, director of the institute. Today's other dignitaries who have joined this, especially some principals from various colleges from Pune and Maharashtra are also joined that. I welcome them heartily. And ladies and gentlemen, the whole idea of organizing this program occurred when about a month back, Dr. Ravi Chitnis and I are friends. We were just discussing about this new lockdown which was announced, and then suddenly Dr. Ravi Chitnis said that what is going to happen? Teachers are not in the campus, etc., etc. And then suddenly he said that the teachers are losing uh, their groove, and some of them are demotivated, etc. So, in my outline, I would just say that the today's FDP is just because we have been not online, not offline in the camp in teaching. We were online, and that has resulted into a lot of boredom, frustration, anxiety, and teachers are becoming a little bit more lethargic, a little bit more frustrated, etc. So, in the light of this, we thought that why don't we motivate them, buck them up, boost them up. Then I approached Dr. Bharat Chandra. Dr. Bharat Chandra is a medical doctor, and he found it very difficult to give us time today because apart from his busy schedule, he said that I'm very busy with organizing uh, beds, hospitals, etc. Because he's a doctor himself. But he said that I said, sir, why don't you help us? You are the best motivator. So he also readily agreed. I'm thankful to both Dr. Ravi Chitnis as well as to Dr. Bharat Chandra and to Mr. Shailesh Mehta sir and Debra sir for encouraging us to go ahead with this program. We kept it at the national level, but suddenly, I don't know, it became international. We are having about 14 countries participants and about 400 plus odd participants from all over India. So it is overwhelming for us, but at the same time, let us not forget the objects of this FDP. According to NAC, the teacher's role, the teacher's quality of teaching, the teacher's involvement in counseling, mentoring, uh, acting as a friend, philosopher, a facilitator, and coach is what is the requirements of NAC and the requirements of a good teacher. We are very good at teaching only, but beyond teaching, we have to go ahead further. So, hence, Dr. Bharat Chandra is the right person to motivate. Of course, let me tell you with all humility that we wanted this FTP to be a full day program, but because of constraints of many other things, we could only have it for 1.5 hours or so. So this is a program which will not overnight make you dynamic and effective. It is just a scratch on the surface. But the ray of hope is that Dr. Bharat Chandra is always available. All of you can directly contact him. I was the beneficiary. I was a student of Dr. Bharat Chandra way back in 1987. Where today, if at all, what Rashmi Madam read about my achievements is that I owe a lot to him because he taught us goal setting. He taught us how to be assertive. He taught us how to be focused. And all that thing has helped us. And I'm sure today his contribution will go a long way. With these words, I welcome each one of you. Please feel at home. And also, let us collaborate. Let us be together. And please remember that. Let us, in these difficult times, look back but get the experience. Look forward and see the hope. Look around and observe the reality. Look within and find yourself as a dynamic and an effective teacher. I welcome you one and all. Thank you very much.
Thanks for the briefing, sir. Thank you so much for your wonderful briefing, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, now we are moving further. It is a great honor to introduce our chief guest, Dr. Ravi Chitnis. Dr. Ravi Chitnis had been associated in the field of education since last 3 decades. He has contributed significantly to every organization's growth that he worked for and was well appreciated and recognized among his superiors, colleagues, as well as students for his optimistic approach. Dr. Chitnis is also known for his futuristic clear vision, conviction, and the ability to bring ideas into reality quite efficiently, successfully by working in a team. He started his career by joining one of the country's premier and professional organizations, that is NIBM, National Institute of Bank Management, based at Pune. He started his career by joining one of the country's premier and professional organizations, NIBM, National Institute of Bank Management, based at Pune. Dr. R.M. Chitnis has also worked in many leadership roles at Modern College of Computer and Business Studies, Pune, and Institute of Management and Career Development as principal and director. He had been nominated and worked in various academic roles at Savitribai Phule Pune University. His association with Myers MIT started in the year 2011 by joining Mitsom College as a principal. Since then, due to his dedication, hard work, and commitment, he has been elevated to various positions such as Dean, Faculty of Management, Provost, International Collaborations, and now serving as the Pro Vice Chancellor since August 2019. Ladies and gentlemen, I invite Dr. Chitnis to deliver his inaugural speech and inaugurate today's program. Dr. Ravi Chitnis. Sir, can you unmute, please?
Good morning, Dr. Lawrence sir, Honorable Mehta sir of Foresight College, Chairman Debraj Banerjee sir, Dr. Bharat Chandra, all the faculty members, ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed an honor and privilege to be with you this morning for this International Faculty Development Program on how to be dynamic and effective teacher organized by Foresight College of Commerce and International School of Management Studies. At the outset, I wish to thank my friend Principal Dr. M.D. Lawrence sir for inviting me this morning. Lawrence sir and myself not only know each other as academic friends, but we are also family friends for more than last 3 decades. I was preoccupied today in some other conference, but how could I say no to Dr. Lawrence? And I am here in front of you. I have been given only 3 to 4 minutes, but some other time I would like to interact with you on faculty development program too. At the outset, myself and all of us, let's congratulate Dr. Lawrence sir and Banerjee sir and Mehta sir for organizing this particular webinar. And we appreciate all of you for organizing this relevant and need-based program for teachers at a most crucial time. Presently, we all are going through the difficult times of this pandemic, and some of the teacher friends shared that they are missing the campus. And they are also experiencing monotony, and as rightly said, boredom by Dr. Lawrence. Some of them even said that they are forgetting the typical role of the teacher when they are busy on the campus. And at this such crucial juncture, teachers should not be experiencing frustration, monotony, and should not become laid back. Rather, they should rise up to the occasion and become very, very proactive, dynamic, and effective. And that's why this particular theme and this particular faculty development program is very, very important. I'm sure all of you know Dr. Bharat Chandra sir is one of the topmost trainer in the country, and this will definitely help all of you to rejuvenate and invigorate and refresh yourself and get out of that large dose of over zooming and online meetings and online seminars. I'm sure that you will improve your teaching skills as well as soft skills because of this intervention of Dr. Bharat Chandra sir. I'm sure this webinar will help platform for unleashing the potential to become more creative, innovative, and dynamic leader too. You all are aware that NEP is around the corner. It is declared, but implementation is around the corner, and you require altogether a different dynamic and effective teacher. Introduction of academic credit bank, multiple entry, multiple exit. All this is going to be handled by the young faculty members. Proctored exams, online admissions, online entrance exams, everything is done online. Even the convocation is also done online. You require a different skill set to be leader in academic fraternity for years to come. And this particular program will help you to equip yourself for that. This will also help you to equip and orientate all of you in becoming proactive, synergetic, and extrovert personality. And you can readily wear various caps and play different roles, not only a friend, philosopher, of a guide of student, but a facilitator, mentor, counselor, coach, leader, motivator, etc. I'm sure today's international resource person, Dr. Bharat Chandra, will certainly not only boost your morale, but will give you very appropriate and vital tips to rejuvenate yourself and truly become a dynamic and effective teacher in true sense of the term. I'm very happy to note that today we have faculty members from more than 15 countries, including India. And this has really gone international webinar, though Dr. Lawrence started it as a national seminar. I feel proud that I'm friend of Dr. Lawrence sir, looking at this particular webinar. With these words and all the very best from all of us here, may I declare that this faculty development program is inaugurated. All the best of all of you for all your future endeavors. May your all dreams come true. Thank you, and thank you.
Thank you, sir. May I request Dr. Shrishti Gangale, Head of the Department of Commerce, Foresight College of Commerce, to please propose a vote of thanks to Dr. Ravi Chitnis. Dr. Shrishti Gangale.
Dr. Ravi Kumar Chitnis, sir, we wish to thank you for honoring us with your presence. It was a wonderful experience to have you here. We are immensely thankful to you for devoting some time for us from your extremely busy schedule. Indeed, your inaugural speech was very inspiring, absorbing, and motivating, which will guide today's participants to prioritize their objectives in life. Once again, thank you, sir, for enlightening us. Thank you. Over to you, Gauri ma'am, please.
Thank you, Dr. Shrishti. Now, once again, I call upon our Assistant Professor Rashmi Nair, Madam, to please introduce our resource person, Dr. Bharat Chandra. Rashmi ma'am, please.
Thank you, Gauri, again. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today, it is indeed a rare privilege for me to introduce a very dignified and popular celebrity, the Dale Carnegie of India, Dr. Bharat Chandra, who is going to share his valuable insights to us on how to become a dynamic and an effective teacher. Dr. Bharat Chandra is a medical doctor, behavioral therapist, and success coach of international repute. He is a very popular trainer and sought after speaker. He has the unique distinction of having addressed over 1 crore people from the stage, apart from training 2 lakh people from various walks of life, and more than 800 colleges, universities, schools, etc. He has been conducting workshops on personal success in India, Far East, Middle East, and Africa over the last 35 years. He is the founder of Winners Institute Private Limited that holds a legacy of 35 years and has benefited a lot of people. Winners Institute offer various programs and workshops on diverse aspects like memory, time management, stress management, self-esteem, effective communication and studying skills, stock markets, etc. Ladies and gentlemen, Winners Institute is conducting very popular program on total personality development called Winners in Bengaluru, Pune, Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Baroda, Delhi, Chennai, Cochin, and Hyderabad in India, and Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Muscat, Bahrain, Kuwait, Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda, and Singapore for the last 35 years. His workshops on stock markets, mutual funds, and income tax are bringing awareness about sound investments in the stock market among the public. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Bharat Chandra's illustrious career can be further still highlighted by reading few more pages of his biodata. But due to constraints of time, I think I will have to stop here